In this video, I'm going to show you the automation I use to automate my lead generation using Facebook groups. So I used to spend hours just going to Facebook groups, scrolling to see what type of questions people ask and commenting on them, right? Because that's how we give value. That's how we show up in the community. If we do that over a long period of time, then eventually people start seeing you as an expert, right? So I used to do this for platforms like High Level, System.io as well. It's another one I used to go in here every single day. But then I realized I was treating this more as a daily task instead of building an actual automated system, which is what I'm really focusing on now. So I decided to create some automations to help me do this for me. So I started using a tool called Packages, which you can literally automate anything in the browser. And the way it does is it just creates a virtual browser and you're able to automate things using AI and other stuff. So I recommend you guys check it out if you guys want to use this. I'm going to show you exactly what I did here. That way you guys can model after it, or if you guys want to easier access, I actually give you access to automation as well. So if you want to stay towards the end, I'll tell you more about that. So the way Packages works is you're able to create a board like this and you're able to create different automations. For example, you can do a lot of things here. I'm not going to go over each one of these because I go over it within the community, but you can use LLM, right? So if you get information and you want to use AI to help you summarize it, you can create AI audio, AI images. The one I use the most is this browser one here. So let me just show you what I have here. So first I grab the URLs of the Facebook groups I want to add, and then optionally you can add the name just for organizational purposes. And then it goes into each one of these browser elements, which each one of these browser elements is actually a virtual machine. So let me show you something like this. So this is a virtual machine within Packages. You can see it's a live browser. I logged into my demo account on Facebook and I just saved the cookies. So this way the automation doesn't have to actually log in every single time. You're already logged in its eyes. So this browser automation goes through a few different steps. So you can see here it goes to the page. It waits for the feed to load, and then it grabs the post and the search terms that I'm searching for. After it exports them from each one of the groups, so it does the same thing for this group. It puts them all into one text field here, and then it pushes them into the AI here, which in this case I use Gemini. It filters the post, and then it sends me an email notification, which is pretty cool, right? So I have this scheduled every single morning, and it goes into these three groups. It scrapes them, it analyzes them, and sends me an email. And again, this is all done on autopilot. So that's kind of the idea behind this. I just want to show you the tool, which is called Packages with 3 S's. And then if you do want to get access to this automation itself, I actually have these pre-built within my Packages white label system. And these are built by me, so you can't access them through Packages directly. You got to access them through me. And if you do want to access these, I actually give access to them to my premium members within my school community. So if you want to get access to these, you can go ahead and just join it. But pretty much the way this works, literally you just click run, enter your name in a Facebook group, URL, your email where you want to send this to, what exactly you want to search within those Facebook groups, hit run, and then you just get an email notification. And you can schedule that too. So you can add this to the calendar so you can run every single day, 2 times a day, etc. So you can easily automate your lead generations. So this way you don't have to go into Facebook groups at all. You literally just get an email with the links to the post from people asking for help, and you can easily just go in, give your feedback, and then leave and focus on what's more important in your business. All right, hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and answer them there.